Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GST Unboxed. Here we will see a case law in the case of Jain Cement Udyog versus Sales Tax Officer Class 2, which highlights a key legal principle. Two adjudication orders for the same tax period are not allowed. Friends, gather around because tonight we're diving deep into the scintillating and complex world of Indian tax law. Don't worry, it's more exciting and intriguing than it sounds. We're talking about a company called Jain Cement Udyog and their wild ride with the taxman. Buckle up because this story involves not one, but two tax demands for the exact same period. Spoiler alert, you can't do that. It's against the rules. It's like ordering two pizzas and then getting charged twice for them. Our story begins with a simple show cause notice slapped on Jain Cement Udyog back in December 2020. This notice was not just any ordinary piece of paper. The notice, a classic bureaucratic masterpiece, essentially asked, "Hey, why haven't you paid taxes for July 2018 to March 2019? It was a question that demanded answers. Now, Jain Cement Udyog might have had a perfectly reasonable explanation. Perhaps they were caught up in their projects. Maybe they were busy building schools and hospitals out of cement. Maybe they just forgot. Or maybe the paperwork got lost in the shuffle. Either way, this notice was just the beginning of their tax troubles. It marked the start of a long and arduous journey through the labyrinth of tax regulations and legal battles. So the taxman slapped Jain Cement Udyog with the SCN, and things seemed to proceed as expected. The SCN, or show cause notice, is a formal demand for an explanation or payment, and it can be quite a shock for any business. First, they received a final order on February 1st, 2021, demanding payment. This order was a significant blow, as it required immediate attention and action from the business. Jain Cement Udyog, understandably confused and probably a little bit broke, decided to appeal this order. Fair enough, right? They sought legal advice and prepared their case, hoping for a favorable outcome. But here's where things get spicy. The appeal process was long and arduous, filled with legal jargon and endless paperwork. Fast forward to April 23rd, 2024, and what does the taxman do? They issue another order for the same darn period. This unexpected twist left everyone in shock. They issue another order for the same darn period. It was like a bad dream repeating itself, causing even more stress and confusion. It's like getting a parking ticket while you're already fighting the first one in court. The frustration and disbelief were palpable, as the business owner now had to deal with two overlapping legal battles. Thankfully, the court saw this for the bureaucratic blunder it was. The judge, with a keen eye for justice, recognized the absurdity of the situation. They declared the second order invalid, essentially saying, "Come on, guys, you can't just keep demanding money for the same thing." This was a clear message to the tax authorities that such practices are not only unfair, but also legally unsound. They reminded everyone that issuing multiple orders for the same period goes against basic legal principles. The court emphasized the importance of adhering to established legal norms and procedures. The April 2024 order was quashed like a bug, leaving the original February 2021 order open for appeal. This decision underscored the need for finality in tax matters, ensuring that taxpayers are not subjected to endless demands. This case is a win for fairness and common sense. It highlights the judiciary's role in protecting citizens from arbitrary and repetitive tax demands. It reminds us that tax proceedings need to be consistent and, dare we say, logical. The legal system must ensure that tax laws are applied in a manner that is both fair and predictable. You can't just keep hitting someone with the same tax demand over and over again. Such practices not only cause undue stress, but also undermine the integrity of the tax system. We'll be back next time with more thrilling tales from the world of, well, you know. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating and often complex world of tax law. In the meantime, remember to subscribe for more updates and simplified explanations of GST laws and rulings. Our goal is to make these topics accessible and understandable for everyone, because understanding your taxes shouldn't feel like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. We're here to help you navigate the complexities with ease and confidence.